Hi, it's me again, and today it's 3 a.m. in the morning. I think we have all heard about what Israel did to Lebanon. 100-year strike in just 10 minutes. No warning, no evacuation, nothing. Just bombing. People are just moving on like nothing happened. I don't understand what's going on. Why do we think that America or the Israel is the head of this world? No, they are not the superior. They are nothing. They are just another country. They do not have any rights to interfere in any other country's problem. I'm so frustrated right now to think about what they have been doing to this world, and everyone is like, oh, they are doing this, they are right, they are saying this. When will these people just open their fucking eyes? These all things has been happening to Palestine, and just because Hamas attack on what is that October 7th with children should not be the victims of the elders or the adults communication, and this was their mistake. But they have been doing the same before, and they just ignored the whole thing, and they focus the one thing, and they keep targeting them up to now. And the world is like, yeah, they are true, children died, and this is not unfair. Of course, no one is agreeing to that. But what the Israel is doing to Palestine is not agreeable too, because they are doing the same thing. They are calling the Palestinians a terrorist, and what are they doing? They are killing the same children there in the Palestine. The thing is, how can you make your children happy when the bodies and the bones of the children will be buried inside the ground? How can you let your children live above it and then make them happy? I don't know what to say. I have no words. And no one should base this. No children should grow up in this way. And I have come across a few clips too where the husband is picking up the bones that will remain beneath the ground after the blast. And he is picking up the bones so he could bury them at least piece by piece together. And literally he is straining the dirt from the ground, and then he is picking up the bones by saying, this is my child bone, I know this is my wife bones. How can someone be so cruel? And they are not just attacking the Hamas, the terrorists. They are attacking the children, the hospitals, the schools. What is the point of attacking them?